Our smart thermostats are constantly changing, and even our Daikin 1 Plus has now added an additional accessory called the Daikin 1 Home Air Monitor. So it is using an accessory sensor that gets installed into the return air, and it's going to measure particulates and volatile organic compounds. Today, we're going to teach you how to install and set one up. Just like the Daikin 1 Plus thermostat, the Daikin 1 Home Air Monitor comes in a very nice packaging. Installation instructions are provided in a small deck of cards with some visual representations. We have a couple of gaskets for the two different size installation options that you have, a primary base, and a couple of templates. One for 1.5 inches, one for 2 inches, depending on whether you're installing in round duct or rectangular. Now we have the sensor itself with its adjustable antenna and 2 screw terminals for a wire. Locate a place in the return where air can flow perpendicular through the sensor. Next, we need to select the appropriate gasket. We use a 1.5 inch for rectangular duct and 2 inch for round duct installations. Securely attach our low voltage wires to the terminal blocks. The sensor then slides into the mounting base and snaps into position. The home air monitor requires a separate transformer, but it is not supplied with it, so it will have to be field installed and wired appropriately. At the thermostat, go to Settings, Configuration, Home Wi-Fi, and verify we are connected to Wi-Fi and the Daikin 1 Cloud. Download the Daikin IAQ Installer mobile app. After downloading the mobile app, we need to select an account, so you will enter in the homeowner's email that is associated with the Daikin 1 Cloud. This will set up an access point so that we can remote in to add a component. A link will be sent to the homeowner's email with an authorization code that gives you, as the installer, access to set up this IAQ product, but it is only used for this function. You can now push Add Equipment, verify that you are connected with Bluetooth, and we can continue to set up the air monitor installation. As long as we have installed the air sensing probe correctly, so that the air flows through our sensors, it will actually measure airflow velocity to verify that we have appropriate needed airflow. We can now select the homeowner's Wi-Fi network and connect to that. Once we are connected to Wi-Fi and connected to the cloud, we have completed the installation setup. We can now verify that we have readings for our indoor air quality from our new Daikin 1 Home Air Monitor and outdoor air quality readings from our Wi-Fi and the Daikin 1 Cloud. Thank you for joining us.